In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from a Wise personal account to another Wise account by phone. To get started, open the Wise app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Send option and tap it. This is where you begin the transfer process. If Wise asks which balance you want to use, select the currency balance you'd like to send money from. This is especially important if you hold more than one currency in your account, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. Next, you'll need to choose the person you want to send money to. You can do this by searching for their contact or name if they already appear in your Wise contacts. You may also enter their contact details manually or use their Wise tag if they've shared that with you. If you're using a Wise tag, there's also a convenient option to scan their Wise tag QR code directly in the Wise app, which can help avoid mistakes and speed things up. After selecting the recipient, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to double check the number, especially if you're sending a larger payment. Then choose the currency you want the recipient to receive. If the send and receive currencies are different, Wise will usually show you the exchange details automatically, which helps you understand exactly what the other person will get. When you reach the payment step, choose your Wise balance as the payment method. This ensures the money is taken from your existing funds in Wise rather than another payment source. Before finalizing anything, review all the transfer details carefully. Check that the recipient is correct, the amount is right, the selected currency matches what you intend to send, and that you understand any fees involved. If there's a currency conversion, also review the exchange rate shown on screen so there are no surprises. Once everything looks good, tap Continue, and then tap Confirm and Send to complete the transfer. At that point, Wise will begin processing your payment. After the transfer is sent, you can go to the Transactions section of the app to track its status. This is the best place to see whether the transfer is processing, completed, or still moving through the system. Wise may also send you app notifications as the transfer progresses, so keep an eye on those for updates. And that's how to transfer money from a Wise personal account to another Wise account using your phone.